Hello guys, let's set up your computer for data science projects. Let's start by installing Python. Go to www.python.org/downloads. If you scroll down, there will be different versions listed on this page. We will be using Python 3.8. Any version of 3.8 should be fine for our project. Let's download 3.8.10. Scroll down the page. If you're working on Windows, most likely your computer will be 64-bit. Select 64-bit installer, save the file. I have already installed Python, so it's going to ask this one. So I'm going to just rerun the installation for you. Okay, installation is successful. Let's verify if Python is installed correctly. Let's type Python. You should be able to see Python versions listing out here. Let's see if installed Python working properly. Open command prompt just by typing cmd. Let's type Python version. It should display Python version installed in your computer. Okay, next thing what we will do is we will be going to documents, pip install virtual env. It's a Python package for creating workspaces. Virtual environment are kind of project. For each project, you can have a dedicated copy of Python and all the necessary libraries used in that project. I have installed virtual environment already. Let's create a new environment calling Python -mvenv. Let's call it new env. It'll take a couple of seconds to create. Okay, it's installed now. If you see dir, there should be a new env directory. Let's run new env/scripts/activate. Okay, there's an extra backslash there. So now our environment is activated. You can see that by checking this new env within bracket is activated here. Let's install some necessary packages. First, install pip install wheel. It's a dependency for package management. It makes installing additional packages faster. Okay. It is also suggesting we should upgrade our pip version. Let's do that. Okay, there's some permission, but it's not absolutely necessary. Let's go on to install Jupyter Notebook. Pip install Jupyter. Python is downloading all the necessary packages which are dependencies for running Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is our Python development environment that runs in our browser. So we don't need any extra editors, tools, IDEs, or anything to make our project. It's not only good for learning, but also in real life data science projects, we use extensively Jupyter Notebook all the time. It makes editing code easy, interactive, quickly debugging is very easy. And also you can create beautiful interactive graphs in plots within browser. So in many cases, it's really useful. Okay, now we have installed Jupyter Notebook. Let's kickstart our notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Okay, if it is not opening properly, just open this. You can select this link, copy it, and then paste it in your browser, and then you should be able to see an interface like this. You can create new notebook by clicking Python 3. It takes a second. Now you can run Python code directly in your browser. Running, it works fine. You can do all the arithmetic operations here. That's how we install Jupyter Notebook and start with data science project. Let's go back to terminal, Control C to cancel. We can exit our terminal. This is fine. Leave page. Let's go back to command line, how to use the same environment next time. Go to documents. If you remember, our environment name was new env / scripts activate. Now the environment is activated and Python is installed here. Okay, if you don't want to use this environment, you can just say deactivate. It's done. So that's how we install Python, install Jupyter Notebook, open Jupyter Notebook, and run in browser. Let me go through one more time. To activate environment, you run the environment name / scripts / activate, and then it activates. To open the Jupyter Notebook, you run Jupyter -notebook, one word. It starts the Jupyter Notebook and goes to browser. If it is not displaying there, then you can copy this link, put it in your address bar, then you will see the environment, the file we already created should be already there. If you just click that file, then it opens and loads the code for you. You can run anything here. So just missing a code, so it should be fine. So we are done. Stop sharing.